Hey guys! We are here at Disneyland. Today is Friday, May 31st, 2019, and we are here for the opening of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. We're just walking on Main Street right now, and our time slot is 2 to 6 p.m. So we're just gonna chill and enjoy the park in its early hours until we get to go. And I'm so excited to take you along with us today. Okay, so I just got into Star Trader. They have all this special merch. Ooh, that is so cool. It's really crowded in here. Oh, that is so awesome. Wow, I did not expect all this new stuff. Oh, it's a USB. How cool. Little Padawan braids. How cute. I am dead. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is amazing.
Good morning.
Oh my gosh, look at these porks.
I'll be back.
These are the new Black Series figures. Hey, look everybody, it's Christopher. Hello. We're just shopping.
I'm sorry. No, like.
Oh, what is this?
Oh no, I can't do it because I don't want to pull the tab. But
Okay.
You gotta see it. It's like one per customer, but it like glows here and the lanyard glows.
Oh,
so, yeah.
nice.
And then make sure you get your exclusive day.
Oh, let's look at that
opening day
pin. That's awesome.
So,
okay, so those are behind the registers?
these are all out.
Oh,
Yeah, they're all out.
I just got in, so.
Oh yeah, no.
Oh my
sure.
gosh.
Yeah, sorry.
Cool. No, that's fine. Here we have some model kits.
Sorry.
Shirt. Oh wow, these are so nice. I'm like having a heart attack. I did not expect all this exclusive merch. These are all patches. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. There's pins. Okay guys, so we just got our wristbands. The process was pretty smooth and we have 2 more hours to go. I am so excited. And when you go, they give you these little maps. This is a merchant food guide, which I don't think we're gonna look at because I already know some stuff and Jason wants to be surprised. And then the Play Disney app so you can interact with Galaxy's Edge. And now we are just going to chill for 2 hours.
We should eat.
Should we eat?
We should always eat.
We should always eat. But surprisingly, it is not that crowded. So we're gonna see, maybe we'll get some food. Oh my gosh, so we're walking. I don't know if we're getting in line or if we're walking in.
No, it's a line.
It's a line? I was gonna say, like, there's no way they're letting us in like 30 minutes or.
It's not a line so much as it is just a mob of humanity.
Yeah, this is not a line. They're trying to tell everybody like for an hour, there's no line, there's no line. Everybody's like, yeah, we're just gonna wait by the entrance. So we are so close. We're about 30 minutes out. The lighting is horrible. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
That's awesome.
Wow. Look at all the booths. All the merchandise. Oh my gosh. How cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Trash can? Yeah, heck yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Whoa. Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, Kylo Ren and Stormtroopers. Oh my gosh.
Your vote question. Move now.
Whoa.
Move aside, civilians. Let's go. Clear this path.
It is amazing so far. We are currently in line for blue milk, and I can't believe it. It is amazing here. Oh my gosh. I have no words. My heart is gonna come out of my chest. There are stormtroopers everywhere. I'll show you guys. Look at the stormtroopers. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the blue milk. So good. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. So amazing. Look at the details. Oh my gosh. So cool. This is awesome.
I'll just take a look. The Star Destroyer and even the ship there.
I'm in line finishing off the rest of my blue milk, which was amazing, and I've got a Ahsoka and Watto plushie and an extra Ahsoka for a giveaway that I'm going to be doing. This place is so amazing. Like, I'm just so excited. And it looks like, where am I at? Watto's Toy Shop. I can't remember what it's called. I need to get used to all these names, but they have the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge tote bags here that you can buy. So I'm really excited. It's been an amazing day so far. I'm just so happy.
I think it's very nice.
This thing is so heavy.
Maybe none of these are like that. I was just looking at like maybe this one has that. But these don't seem to have that.
I just adopted a tauntaun. It's so cute. I'll show you guys him or her, what it looks like soon. But that place was amazing. They had so many adorable things. And it turns out I couldn't get to Ahsoka ragdolls. It was only like one style per customer. So I picked up something else I'm going to give away, but it's a plushie. So look for that soon. And I am just like taking all of this in. It is absolutely amazing. Oh my gosh. You can buy this. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at all these little collectibles. These are my favorite kind of things. Wow. There's just so much stuff. In line to get a Coke bottle right now. I don't drink soda, but obviously I have to have one of the Coke bottles because it has Arabesh writing on it and it looks amazing. It's just, I keep saying this, but it's amazing here. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to do a few things because there's been like cutoffs on the lines, which I haven't heard of until this time slot that we have, 2 to 6. Seems extra busy. But I don't know, I could be wrong. Other people could have experienced that too, but haven't been able to build a lightsaber yet. So I'm hoping to do that this time, if not another time.
Overheating. Thrust chamber. Overheating. Turbine exhaust. Overheating. It's not cooling down, people. This is bad. This is what happens before everything goes blue. But what happened to the
So amazing. Oh my gosh.
Well, I'm pretty sure vacation days are part of it. The only way you get time off is if you're fired. See? There it is. I told you there was a way.
Alright, I guess correct.
You ready? Whoa! Oh my gosh. gosh! It's Hondo!
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but it's this. Oh, this is the group I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all. That is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later. I want to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. It really helped out. Although it was a very fast and very profitable expedition. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get those profits. Wow, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go.
I wish I was the one that went up and down because
So I am sitting outside of Smuggler's Run right now. Jason just went on it because I just get really anxious and sick on rides like this. I'm really sad, but I'm hoping he can just like fully explain it to me. And going through the line was really cool. There was so much to look at. This place is just like incredibly detailed. Like it's on another level, like compared to Disneyland itself, like all the other lands and stuff. So, but wow, what a day. Oh my gosh, look how cute that shirt is. So small.
Look at this stuff.
Ooh.
I saw that in the place. You guys have any more of the drinking mugs? Mugs, I didn't do again. I'm looking for. Hey, you know about the gray mugs?
Yeah, that were like shaped like.
unfortunately that is the only book that we have right now.
Got it.
Oh my gosh, so much fun stuff.
No, I believe it's gray. It kind of looks like sand. Like my friends said they were.
Oh wow. I like your mug that you got.
Yeah, my mug's awesome.
Oh, is that to hold the lightsaber? Or just for anything really?
Yeah, it's a
Look at the Padawan braids. I saw those earlier. I forgot to tell you.
I should get it for shooting. Oh, that's cool.
Jedi food capsules? What?
USB.
Wow. Oh my gosh. These things are so cool. Yoda's cane! How cute! That's a good one. Wow. These are awesome. I love this shop already. What is this?
Yodi.
Oh my gosh, how cute.
What is this?
I'm like, what is this? Oh, it's Vader. Oh, what is this? Yoda Illuminator? I don't know what this is.
I can't turn it on. How do you turn it on?
I have no idea.
Light.
Oh, whoa. What? That is craziness. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh. These are so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you want one of those? Thank you. Are you talking about like your hotel?
Yeah.
These are puzzles. That's not a puzzle. Those are action figures. So there's action figures, Ray, Smuggler, Tours, and Lando.
There's Chewbacca working on an X-Wing. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Hey, can you check is that plugged in over there? That's all put it plugged in. It's plugged in. Well, it's making a buzzing noise. Is that good? No? Knob we can do. These guys got any experience with transmitters? No?
So we have just left Batu. The 4 hours went by extremely fast. A lot of people said 4 hours was enough to do everything. For us, it wasn't. By the way, this just happened.
Yeah, we found Goofy on Star Wars, or on that planet. Well, I forgot
Oh
the
my
name.
gosh. So for us, 4 hours was not enough, and it wasn't because we were taking too long with things. There was just lines. Like, we didn't even get to make lightsabers. We didn't get into like the droid factory building. We didn't get into the cantina because the line was cut off, and then it was going to be like an hour and 30 or something.
Yeah.
Something.
Yes, and then it's 45 minutes experience when you're in there. They
Yeah.
told us anyway. So that was already gonna be more than half of the time there.
Yeah, it was crazy. We had a great time, but we're thankful that we're coming back next weekend because now we can do the things that we didn't do today on that day. Also, as an amazing time that I did have, I kind of had like this stressed feeling when I was there because I was like, oh wow, we're not going to be able to see everything. And, you know, just constantly looking at the time and making sure you're not spending too long doing certain things. Of course, that will go away after visiting, you know, several times and we don't have like this 4-hour time limit, but I had a really good time. I'm going to definitely be sharing more of my thoughts in a blog post because I definitely need to like sit on it, sleep on it, look through all the pictures and everything, but we're going to get to our car, and once we get to our car, I'm going to have Jason tell you guys his review on Smuggler's Run because as I stated before, I didn't ride it. And then later I will show you everything we bought. Just got to get through Main Street now. Okay, so we are in the car now. So, Jason's still got his hat on. Okay, Jason, how was Smuggler's Run?
Oh, is that the Millennium Falcon, right? Is that? I don't know. Okay.
We're still getting used to the names of everything.
Yeah, I still call it Star Wars Land, and apparently that's not right.
Yeah. So.
How was the ride? Oh, so I think it was not my cup of tea. I'm probably in the minority. It seemed like the people that were on my in my group, because it's a group thing. Apparently I have to cut over like 5 lanes right now. Everybody else seemed to like it. They had smiles ear to ear. I thought I was going to I don't want to spoil things, but going before the ride begins, it was really cool. But it was super rushed, and the way they had it set up, like you wanted to spend more time in there, and it was like I almost lost my group. Actually, I did lose my group because they all moved on, and I don't know, it was crazy, but it was super rushed, and I thought that it shouldn't have played out that way. And then the ride itself wasn't what I expected. It didn't seem as like state of the art as I thought it would be, but it was very interactive, which I felt like, and it might be, there's different roles that different people play. Hopefully this isn't spoiling things. I won't go into detail, but the one that I was given, it seemed like the worst of the 3 roles.
I think most people know about the rules.
Okay, well.
So what did you get?
I was an engineer.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what the other ones were like, but it felt like mine.
Like you did nothing?
No, it wasn't that I did nothing, because I was doing things, but it wasn't. I felt like I missed half of the ride because I constantly had to look away to do the stuff.
Oh.
And I think the other roles probably wouldn't have been that way. Like you could probably keep focused on the thing in the other roles. And so I felt like I missed out a lot, and it was kind of like, well, what's even going on? Because I kept having to look away and do something, and then by the time I looked back, it's like I don't even know how we got from there to there. Like, not that I missed the whole thing, but it wasn't immersive. To me, it felt like they were trying to make it immersive, and to me, it was the opposite.
Yeah. So I have heard that you can opt to have your position, like whatever one you're given, you can opt to have it on auto, like if you don't want to do anything and just watch it.
Oh, they didn't tell us that.
Like, I don't know if that's true, but I've heard one person tell me that.
They only said that for one of the roles.
Oh, okay, maybe it's not all of them.
Yeah, but Yeah, I thought it was going to be more state of the art. I thought it was going to
That's
be
sad.
more immersive, but maybe the other roles I'll feel differently about it and it'll be super cool. But I don't. Right now, I feel like I would only ride it again if it was like a super short line.
Oh wow.
But yeah, the line ended up being the coolest.
Yeah.
Going through the line there was some cool stuff to see.
I agree, because I was with Jason in line, and oh my gosh, the details were so amazing. Like, there was just so much to take in. I was sad though, because my exit point prevented me from seeing like the inside of the Falcon, where you can take like a picture where they are playing that game. My mind is drawing a blank. I had like 4 hours of sleep. Where do they play?
So you're talking about that?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the part that as soon as you get in there, they're taking you out of there. And like some people were taking pictures in the thing, and their group wasn't ready yet. And so I wanted to get a picture of the thing empty without some random weirdo guy.
And can you just say what it is really quick? Because I didn't get a chance to say it, and everybody's going to be wondering.
Falcon.
Like,
you said the Falcon.
Yeah, but that specific part, what game is it that they're playing?
I think it's...
oh my gosh.
Oh, it's Dejari?
Like, yeah, you guys know in the Falcon where they play that game with Chewbacca.
Yeah,
and,
the hollow chest thing.
Yes, the hollow chest, yes. So they rushed you on that. Did you get a picture?
No, I got a picture of some lady sitting in it, and then I wanted to get a picture of the thing just by itself, but then a guy jumped in there, and they were taking pictures of that, and then all of a sudden it was like, oh, your group's going in, and I almost lost them for the second time. But,
all right, well, it's getting really bumpy. Oh my gosh. So that's sad. Let us know what you guys thought of the ride. If you had a similar experience or complete opposite. I'd be interested in knowing, or maybe there's positions of piloting the Falcon that are better than what you got, engineer.
There's a pilot and a gunner.
Okay, so there's 3. Wow. But yeah, seeing the Falcon, like the full life-size Falcon, and then going through all like the line for the ride was really amazing, and I'm glad we got to see that together. Okay guys, so we are home, and I'm just going to show you all the stuff that we came home with. So first of all, we have this reusable bag, which could be bought at Disneyland and at Galaxy's Edge, and I believe it was only like $1.75. So basically the cheapest thing that you can get that has Galaxy's Edge themed graphics on it. It says Galaxy's Edge and landing in 2019, and then there's the other side. Oh my gosh, I didn't even look at that side. Look how beautiful that is. I love this so much. So I carried around a lot of our stuff in that today. Next, oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't like drink soda, but look how cool this is. We're just gonna like empty it, and then Jason said like, oh, we can just fill it with sand to keep it like, I don't know, sturdy and from moving all around when we put it on a shelf. But the design is so cool. We just had to get one. I don't remember how much these are. A lot of this stuff, like if I talk about it on my upcoming blog posts, I'll put prices. But for now, we just got home, and some of the stuff I just might not know.
It was like $7 or $8.
This?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So. Well, like I don't know. Yeah, it is, but I feel like it was more around 5. I don't know. Okay, so next Jason picked this out. This is an ATSD die-cast vehicle. Really cool. This was only $14.99. Not bad.
Probably like the cheapest merch there.
Yeah, one of them at least. Now this is not at Galaxy's Edge. This was in the parks, and this is a limited release pin, and I just really liked it because it has the Falcon on it and the cool black spires. I think that's what we're calling them. I still have a lot of names and all of that to learn, but I like this because it has the date on it, the 31st. It's a good good memory for when we went on opening day. Let's see next. Oh my gosh, I found this pin. I had to buy it. I had no choice. Supreme Leader, Kylo Ren. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, let me see. That was $9.99. I think this pin was $9.99 too. Oh no, that one was $15.99. Huh. Not bad though. Plus, if like you have the pass, you get the discounts. Which by the way, I got discounts on everything at Galaxy's Edge, which was really cool because I was being told that you couldn't. So I was pleasantly surprised.
Yes, so ask, because sometimes
Yeah.
they did. Sometimes they asked if we had the pass or the whatever they call it there. They don't call anything by what it is actually called.
Yes.
So, but sometimes
What did they
didn't
say? They said,
I don't know, something reducer or
yeah, something like, I can't remember. We're really tired. Okay, so, oh my gosh, look at this Japper snippet necklace. Oh my gosh. The chain is like really pretty. It's like, I don't know, I just really liked it. Because normally when you see these, they usually have like the black cording or whatever it's called. But this one's a little bit longer, but it's really pretty. They only had, from what I saw, 2 more left, so I snatched this up really quick, and this was $19.99. So I'm really excited about that. Next, Han Solo's dice, because I've always wanted Han Solo's dice. It's very weighty. It's like actually really nice. I like it a lot. I did. I found it.
Oh.
I got it when you were on Smuggler's Run. So this is $12.99. Love that. Okay, plushie time. I was very rushed getting plushies because the store was really crowded, and I kind of just had to pick like, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get 2. I need to pick like 2 favorites. So here's Watto. This is the cutest Watto anything I've ever seen. He's just like so nice. Like, look at him. He's so chubby.
Watto's always cute. That doesn't have his neck beard on there. That's his.
I'm glad he
signature
doesn't have the neck beard.
Oh, you gotta have the neck
This
beard.
was $17.99. So cute. There's so many different like materials used, textures. I just love it. Okay, and here is Little Miss Ahsoka Tano. She was $19.99. Oh my gosh. She is so cute. I absolutely love her. Oh, they're so adorable. Okay, up here we have a Stormtrooper mug for Jason. He picked this out. He says he wants to bring it to work and keep it there, so that's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have these annual pass holder exclusive t-shirts that we got. So this one's Jason's. Here it says the date, which I love, and these are like a navy blue, and then mine says landing 2019, and it's a v-neck. So those are awesome. Excited to wash and wear those. Okay, and oh my gosh, first of all, look how cute this little crate is. I love it so much. So in here I have my Tauntaun. He was $40, which is kind of a lot, but with my pass discount he was like $34, so not too bad. Oh I know.
Are you hurting him? What's happening?
I don't know what's happening. He is super like poseable, and it like stays. Like, watch. Oh. This is Tauntaun. I'm so sorry. You were the cutest. Guys, I'm dying right now. Like, I didn't hear him make that noise yet. Like, it was so loud at Galaxy's Edge. Like, I heard him, but not those noises. So he is so cute. He's poseable. He's bendable. He makes several noises. Oh my gosh.
And if you're trying to buy one and you think that they're
so cute.
defective because you can't hear them, it's probably because they, I don't know how to describe it. They have a thing that you have to pull off before the battery makes contact.
Guys, he's the best. How could you not want one? I think it's a boy. I don't know. I need to decide.
Great.
I keep calling it a he, so maybe, but I need to think of a name. But oh my
Aren't
gosh.
all Tauntauns boys? That wouldn't
I
really
no.
work.
But anyway, that is all our merch this trip. I have a feeling we'll get less next trip.
Yeah, less but more expensive.
We didn't get to do the lightsabers, so we will see. My tauntaun. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but I'm in the other room and my tauntaun is talking to me. That was so weird. Okay, so I just wanted to conclude this video by saying, if you're wondering, like, Marie, we want to know more of your thoughts about Galaxy's Edge. Number one, I'm really tired. I literally got 4 hours of sleep the night before, which was crazy. And I'm just like really overwhelmed still. I need to process my thoughts. So if you're interested in seeing lots of pictures and more like information about things, my thoughts and feelings about things, all things concerning Galaxy's Edge, I'm going to be writing a blog post. I'll leave the link in the description, so be on the lookout for that. And thank you guys for joining us. It was an exciting day, and I'm super grateful that we got to go to Galaxy's Edge on opening day together. Anyways, I will see you guys soon. May the Force be with you.